What was the other thing I was going to say? Uh-oh. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Retired Renovators. This is a YouTube channel that my husband Gary and I have put together to document the progress on the renovations to our big brick house in Paducah, Kentucky. So today we're working on all sorts of things. Gary's upstairs working on the window bedroom, putting up some additional posts and joists for where the raised ceiling will go. And I've been working on repairing the brick to the kitchen wall. This is the internal brick wall. We'll have a lot more videos about that in the future. So I wanted to talk about the upper balcony that's just about done now, to show you how we finished putting the railings on and all the stuff that we learned in that process. So come on, let's go. As we showed in the last video, we made the columns for the upper porch out of PVC panels, and Gary cut them with a very special bit, and you can see the bit here. It cuts both sides, the different angles, that allows you then to put the pieces together, to lock them in, to make a pretty strong connection.
So you can see a little better.
Okay, so it's the miter cuts both sides
Both boards.
at the same time?
No.
No.
So one you run through this way, and one you run through this way.
Oh.
And then they lock together.
Ah, so that's why it's called a miter lock bit.
And there's a lot of surface area for gluing. And it's a nice tight miter joint.
Cool. So once all the PVC planks were cut, we put them together, 3 of the sides, glued them, set them on, and then you saw in the last video, we put them onto the posts. So we had 3 sides and then had to put the 4th side in and then glued it all together. The next step is to make a template so we know where to screw in the little joiner things for the railing, and these have to be exact and you can't re-drill them obviously on this PVC. So Gary made this nifty template that he could attach onto the posts, and then we put clamps on the post holding it up, and he was able to drill all of the places where the little lock things go, and so that was a big help. could take just a moment and subscribe to the channel, just hit subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. It just helps with the YouTube analytics. So super easy. Thanks.